Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about collard greens, and I've got some tips and ideas for you for using collard greens. First of all, try stuffing collard leaves like you would cabbage rolls and make collard rolls. Why not? How about making a burrito using collard leaves instead of tortillas? You want to remove the stems first and blanch the large leaves to soften them up a little bit. They may be a little too tough otherwise. Pat them dry, stuff them, and then roll and use them however you would like that way. Add steamed and chopped collard greens to the filling for vegetable sushi rolls. Enjoy raw, young, tender collard green leaves in salads, sandwiches, or wraps. Why not use that in place of lettuce? Something different. How about using cooked collard greens in place of basil when you're making a pesto? First, wash the collard greens, cut them up, and remove the stems and the coarse veins that are in the leaves because you want this to be very tender. And reserve those for another use. Don't throw them out, they're good. Boil the leaf pieces for 10 to 15 minutes to really soften them up until they're tender. Then you want to drain them, place them in a bowl of cold water, and allow them to chill. Drain the leaves again and then place them in a blender with your favorite pesto ingredients. This might be garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, vinegar or lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, maybe even a pinch of cayenne pepper. Process until they're smooth and thick. Store it in the refrigerator, but a lot of people would enjoy that served at room temperature. So you would take it out a little early, allow it to warm up a tad. When you're done, put it back in the fridge. If you're used to boiling collards, try braising them or even sauteing them with a little onion and garlic for something different. And then when they're about done or they are done, drizzle them with just a tablespoon or so, no more than 2 tablespoons at the most, of lemon juice or vinegar, and enjoy. Try adding collards to soups and casseroles. How about a slaw made with thinly sliced collard greens, shredded carrots, cabbage, and onion for your vegetables? Dress it up with any dressing that you prefer for slaw, but it could be a blend of olive oil, vinegar, mustard, parsley, a pinch of sugar, and salt, and maybe a little pepper to taste. Mix everything together, cover it up, put it in the fridge for about an hour to allow those flavors to blend, and then enjoy. Overcooking your collard greens can make them have a bit of a sulfur type of flavor to them. If that happens, drizzle a little bit of lemon juice or vinegar over them before serving. 1 tablespoon is usually enough, 2 at the very, very most, because if you use 2 tablespoons, it's probably going to maintain a flavor of that lemon juice or vinegar, whichever you use to take that sulfury flavor out of it. So 1 tablespoon is usually enough to do the trick. You can also make collard green chips like you would kale chips. Wash the leaves, remove the stems and the tough veins that are in the leaves, and toss the leaves with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Spread them out on a tray and bake them at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to a half hour, whatever it takes until they're crisp. And then you can sprinkle them with a seasoning of your choice. Some suggestions I ran across include some salt and or cumin or curry powder, chili powder, roasted red pepper flakes, and or garlic powder. So flavor them your way, whatever that is. Let me know if you have ways that you like to enjoy collard greens that are not on this list. Share it with others, it may help. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.